Okay, video blog check everybody. Azrael here and you are watching my YouTube channel that features lifestyle, travel, food, and tech. Nako, wala pa tayong travel ngayon. And also unboxing. We are going to unbox this brand new smartphone. This is the Infinix Zero 30 5G from Infinix Philippines. Alright, i-unbox na natin tong Infinix Zero 30 5G. Hindi ko gano'n siya na-unbox last few weeks kasi nagkasakit ako. At ito yung aking normal voice. Yung mga nakarang vlog ko, medyo iba yung aking boses. So, ito na, we are going to unbox and we are going to do a massive gaming test on this awesome Infinix Zero 30 5G from Infinix Philippines. At ang pinakang kumbaga very flowerful ang kanyang reviews, no, dahil 21 GB of RAM, makalagay dito 256 GB of storage. At yung SRP niya is very interesting, no? So before I unbox it, let me discuss to you muna yung tech specs ni Infinix Zero 5G. Infinix Zero 30 5G. Alright, let's do this. Alright, for the tech specs ni Infinix Zero 30 5G, for the display, meron siyang 6.78 inches na 3D curve AMOLED display. Uy, AMOLED, maganda yung screen niya. With a pixel resolution of 1080 by 2400 at meron siyang 144 Hz refresh rate. Wow, ang laki ng refresh rate niya. At meron siyang Corning Gorilla Glass for the protection dun sa kanyang screen. At meron siyang 950 nit peak brightness, 10 bit of color, 2160 PWM dimming, at meron siyang TUV Rainland certification for eye care mode. Ang ganda ng kanyang screen. Grabe, 144 Hz refresh rate. For the body, ang weight niya is 185 grams. So medyo okay, medyo malaki siya ng konti, no? Pero for me, magaan na rin din siya. For the CPU, gumagamit siya ng MediaTek Dimensity 8020 6nm. This is octa-core at ang kanyang GPU is Mali G77MC9. So maganda yung kanyang specs for its body, the screen, and also the CPU. Kayang-kaya ito yung mga gaming na, well, sana kaya yung Fortnite. No? We'll try it later. For the OS, gumagamit siya ng XOS 13 based on Android 13 OS. For the memory, very interesting yung kanyang memory, no? For the memory, very interesting yung kanyang memory, no? For the base RAM, meron siyang 12 GB of RAM for the base RAM. At yung kanyang extended RAM is 9 GB yung extended niya. Total of 21 GB of memory. So, malaki yung memory niya. And for the internal storage, gumagamit siya 256 GB of storage. Hindi ko pa alam kung pwede siyang expandable. No? We're going to figure out later based on dun sa kanyang memory card slot, no, or kanyang SIM slot. Kaya tingnan natin kung meron siyang expansion. For the camera, for the rear camera, gumagamit siya ng tatlong lens. Yung isa is 108 megapixel, yung isa is 13 megapixel, at yung isa naman ay 2 megapixel. It's a triple camera na merong OIS stabilization at can video record up to 4K video 60 FPS. Uy, maganda yung kanyang specs for the rear camera. Triple camera, 108 megapixel with OIS. We're going to try it, no? For the front camera naman, gumagamit siya ng maganda yung kanya 50 megapixel for the front camera at can record up to 4K 60 FPS. Hindi nga lang binention dito ko may OIS yung front camera, but we're going to figure it out later. For the battery specs niya, gumagamit siya ng 5,000 mAh of battery with 68 watts supercharge feature. Uy, okay ito with a 80% charge in 30 minutes. Uy, malaking bagay ito 30 minutes, 80% charge kaagad. At gumagamit siya ng VC liquid cooling system sa kanyang battery. So I guess if you're doing gaming, no, or watching videos, meron siyang technology na kinu-cool down niya yung battery para hindi uminit. I think yun ata yung silbi niya, no? For other features ni Infinix Zero 30 5G, ito ay dual nano SIM. This is 5G ready at meron siyang dual stereo speakers with high-res and DPS audio technology at meron siyang NFC. Ito ay IP53 may protection. So this is dust-proof and waterproof. Hindi ko alam kung paano yung style ng waterproofing niya, no? IP53, tingnan natin, no? At meron siyang natawag na Folax Assistant, parang AI niya to help you with everything. At available color niya is Golden Hour Rome Green and Fantasy Purple. Si Infinix Philippines gave me, anong kulay ito? Walang nakalagay na kulay. Golden Hour. Nakalagay ito, Golden Hour. Parang golden itsura na. Golden Hour color. With an SRP, Infinix 035G, SRP niya is 14,999 for the 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage. Na may kasamang 9GB of extender yan. That's total of 21GB of RAM for only 14,999. This is very exciting, no? Kasi napasulit nung kanyang pricing. Infinix 035G. Talaga yung nagkakagulo yung mga kabataan ngayon kasi mga tech, mga hilig sa tech, tsaka sa gaming kasi ang ganda ng ino-offer ni Infinix. Alright? So, tapos na tayo nag-discuss ng tech specs. Let's do the unboxing at set up at initial first impression natin with this Infinix 035G from Infinix Philippines. Alright? Let's do this. Unbox na natin to. Alright, so this is the Infinix 035G from Infinix Philippines. We will unbox it now. At as you can see here, sabi dito is 256GB of storage with 21GB of RAM. Wow, this is 5G. Can shoot 4K 60fps, 50MP front camera at 108MP triple camera siya. Alright, no? So, ayan, says here is may mga specs dito, 144Hz of refresh rate, 68 watts of supercharged, Dimensity 8 Mediatek 8020. So, ayan. So, this is a golden hour na color. So, open na natin to. Medyo gamit na gamit ito kasi marami na nag-unbox ang mga tech vloggers. And here we go. Lagay ko na lang muna yung box dito. And this is the unit, Infinix 035G in the flesh. Ayan. At ito yung kanyang color na golden hour. Wow, ang ganda. Tsura niya, no? Ang ganda ng, very slim. It reminds me of another phone model and the back of another brand. Parang it feels like three kinds of brand na pinagsama-sama to get this similar physical body appearance at body color ng phone na to. Ganda, oh. Nagre-reflect sa ilaw. And what else inside the box? Check na natin to, no? Sana maayos. There's a manual. Yung kanyang mga plastic na pinagkobera ng phone kasi nagamit na ito ng ibang tech YouTubers at may kasama siyang jelly case which is we're going to use it para hindi magasgasan yung phone. There's a USB Type-C cable at saka brick charger na 68 watts of supercharge feature. Alright, so that's it. Kung makukuha nyo, no, if you buy a Infinix 035G, yan ang makukuha ninyo also kasama yung unit. Ayan, alright. Okay, set aside natin ito para makapag-set up pa tayo. Alright. Alright, no, let's check the body. Ito yung pinakang screen niya, no? And this is a 6.78 inches. Ito yung kanyang front camera dito, sa gitna. Mamaya pag-in-on natin yan. So, sa top nung phone, there's a, I think it's a speaker. Mayroon logo ni Infinix at may microphone dito. Ayan. Sa left side is very curve yung screen niya, ganda. At very smooth yung left side niya. Sa bottom naman, it's the SIM tray. There's microphone, USB Type-C, another speaker. So, yung speakers niya is left and right, which is maganda yung kanyang, kasi parang quad speaker daw to eh. Dolby Atmos eh. And there's no earphone jack. So, it's a USB Type-C thing. And sa right side is the power button, tsaka yung volume niya. At the back of the phone is super nice, super ganda, grabe. Ang ganda na to. Infinix Philippines, akin na lang to. There's a logo of Zero here and there's a LED flash at saka yung triple camera niya. One is the 108MP, the other is the 2MP and a 13MP. So maganda-ganda yung kanyang camera specs. It can shoot 4K 60fps. Same goes to the front camera. At sabi nila sa rear camera has an OIS, which is, I don't know kung meron si front camera. Alright, so let me open up the SIM tray para makita natin, no? Kung pwede ba siyang i-expand, no? Okay, wait lang, kuha tayo ng sa pin. Alright, I got now my pin. So, eject na natin siya. And see, kasi dual nano SIM siya. And here we go. Boom! It's a dual nano SIM. There's no way to expand it. So, hanggang 256GB ka lang talaga. Kasi this is just a pang dual nano SIM lang siya. So, ayan, malinaw na malinaw. Pang dual nano SIM, there's no way to expand it using an SD card. So, balik na natin to. Alright, so that's it. So, fire up na natin to. On na natin tong phone na to. Mekos-mekos na natin yan. Nag-mekos-mekos na naman tayo. So, this is it. Infinix, powered by Android. Malinaw na malinaw. Meron itong Google. So, do not be afraid. And I've tried several Infinix smartphones already. I think this is my third time na. Super nice siya for, tawag dito, gaming. Oh my God! So, nag-on siya. And so, hindi nila ni-reset yung phone. So, I guess hindi nag-reset. At may mga apps na, kinakabahan ako baka may mga pictures dito. So, I guess wala naman. Hindi nila na-reset na maayos. I think I need to reset this muna, no? Baka kasi may naka-install na sa mga apps eh. Alright, wait lang guys Alright, na-reset ko na yung phone. So, let's set up the Infinix 035G. So, ito na. Okay So, English tayo. Oops! Pinapindot ako. My God! Can I go back? Oh my God! Teka muna, nagbago yung Kiwashili. Bakit Kiwashili? Tayo sa United States. Ayan, kinabahan ako dun Next is select region. We're in the Philippines. So, click next. Insert SIM card. Wala tayong SIM card. So, skip natin to. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Ito muna yung mag-connect tayo sa Wi-Fi. Wait lang guys. And we are back. Nakakonect tayo sa ating Wi-Fi. Let's click next. Terms of use. Let's click all yes. At phone is now getting ready. Connecting na tayo. Ito yung ating na-observe minsan. No? Hindi siya ganun kabilis minsan mag-set up. But makakapag-antay naman tayo. No? Wait lang natin to. Let's appreciate the body of the Infinix 035G. Super ganda ng back ng camera. And also yung pagka-curve niya. Super lightweight Ganda. 5,000 milliampere of battery. Super marami ka nang magagawa. Also, I'm very interested to try the camera. No? Kasi 108 megapixel for the rear. 50 megapixel for the front camera. Can shoot 4K 60 FPS. So, I guess we're going to try the 4K 60 FPS, no? Para at least meron tayong content about it. Kasi ayoko talaga mag-shoot ng 4K content. Super laki kasi ng storage niya Let's say, kung makagawa ko ng 15 minutes, no? Malaking file na rin din yun. So, copy apps and data. Do not copy. Checking in. Checking info. Wait natin. And it says here, checking info. Ano ba yung sina-check ng info, no? Wait natin. Ang ganda, Infinix 030 for 14,999. Almost 15,000 na rin din siya. At ito na yung part na mag-register tayo ng Google ko. So, wait lang guys. Wait lang na-register ko na yung aking Google account. Kailangan talaga i-register yung Google account mo kasi it's use basic device backup. Okay. Use location. Okay, accept natin, no? Kaya talaga naka-register talaga yung Google nyo para makagamit kayo ng mga Google apps kasi kailangan siya for the Google Play registration. So, if wala kayo nun, mag-apply muna kayo ng Google email nyo and nasa assistant na tayo. Let's agree. Agree na natin niya kasi para hindi na siya lumabas Agree. Agree assistant. No thanks. Malamang lalabas pa to sa pagkatapos ng installation. So, this is log into the Infinix ID. Wala tayong Infinix ID. So, just press skip. Hindi naman tayo mag-upload sa cloud So, ito na yung biometrics for the unlock. Let's go to the password muna tayo. So, dun tayo sa numeric password. So, 4 digits to 16 digits. Let's try the 4 digits lang. So, mag-apply muna ako. Wait lang guys So, okay. Nalagay ko na yung aking PIN code. Let's go back. Let's go to the fingerprint naman. Teka lang muna. Fingerprint ulit tayo. Wait lang. And here we go. Let's click next. At ito yung kanyang fingerprint nasa screen. This is nice. Wow, ang ganda. So, nag-enroll tayo ng fingerprint para pa nag-unlock natin. It's very easy to unlock the phone using our fingerprint. This is nice. Nasa screen yung kanyang fingerprint scanning. This is nice. Ganda, grabe. At successfully, let's okay. Let's do the facial recognition naman. So, ito na yung camera. Is my face. And okay na. Alright. So, let's click done. Mobile cloner. Skip na natin yan. System navigation. I want na may buttons. So, doon tayo sa buttons. Buti nila pinapakita nila yun. No? Ayoko talaga ng swipe eh. Hindi talaga ako sanay na sa swipe. Some of you are sanay. Ako, I really like to see the buttons para mas mabilis yung pag-navigate ko using the 3 buttons sa home screen. For example, back, tsaka yung stop, yung pag-cancel. It's much more easier for me. So, nagsaset up na yung phone. Getting your phone ready. Medyo mabilis naman din siya compared to the other models ni Infinix. So, ito na welcome to XOS 13. So, click natin to. Based on Android 13. The launcher is now setting. Oh, ito na. Alright, this is nice. Ganda ng colors, ng kanyang wallpaper. So, naka-online naman tayo. Alright, let's go to the settings. At sabi sa my phone, Infinix 035G, Dimensity 8020, triple camera 108, 12GB of RAM plus 6 lang pala. Hindi pala 9. Sorry Ayan, ano pala, 9GB expandable pala. Okay. So, 21 siya. So, pwede ba siyang i-set up? So, we're using the 6GB lang pala, no? So, gawin natin siyang 21. Kaso nga lang, kailangan palang i-restart, no? Okay, mamaya natin i-set up. Pero pwede mo siyang i-set. Kasi naka 6GB yung expansion niya ng RAM. Pwede mo siyang gawin 9. Kaso nga lang, kailangan nang i-reset yung phone, eh. Pero, ano natin gawin? Saka na lang natin gawin. And 256GB of storage. Alright? Okay, super ganda naman yung kanyang screen. Super, wow, very smooth. Very slick niya for a 14,999 phone. It reminds me of another phone. Pero, wow, ang ganda. So, we're going to try this for gaming and wala pa siyang mga pre-install. TikTok lang, Instagram, Messenger, so yung mga bloatware, for example, yung ahagi, tatanggalin natin yung mga yan, kailangan yan eh. So, let's check the camera. And this is the AI camera. So, meron siyang 0.6. It means that meron siyang wide-angle lens. That is very good. Perfect. 1x. This is 1x. This is 3x. And 6x. Wow, this is nice. Uy, nag-restart siya kasi nag-i-install yung yung phone eh. So, let's go back to the camera. At for the front camera, ito yung front camera niya. Ayan. So, wala siyang wide angle, but it's recording with the 50 megapixel. Ayan, naka 50 megapixel na tayo. At portrait mode. Mabilis naman pala siya. For the preview, nag-initialize pa yung mga AI niya, HDR thing. So, ito yung kanina. Okay, malinaw din yung kanyang wide angle. Wow. So, that's it for the specs. Mayroong portrait, super night. Some more, may slow motion time-lapse, short video, AR space, saka wide selfie. Wide selfie. Ito yung mag-wide selfie ka para panoramic style. Which is, nagawan pa rin nila ng paraan, for the wide selfie. For the video, meron siyang 6x, 0.6 pala, 0.6x, 3x, and 1x. Medyo mabagal lang yung kanyang pag-switch ng lens, papansin ko. At meron siya dito, I think this is the OIS stabilization. Ultra steady is on. So, pag naka-ultra steady on tayo, meron ba siyang cropping? Meron siyang crop. Nagka-crop siya. So, doon sa 0.6 niya, medyo tanggal pa yung pagka-wide niya, Ito yung 0.6. For the video. Ito yung 0.6 niya. Crop version kasi may OIS. Pag tinanggal ko yung OIS, boom. Konti lang pala yung kanyang konti lang yung kanyang reduction. So, okay lang naman. Importante is stable yung video nyo. Let's check the front camera for video. Okay. So, may OIS din pala yung front camera niya. This is nice. I can turn it off. Naka-off. Medyo wide siya. Pag tinurn on ko, medyo na siya. Nag-crop yung front camera. Which is nice. You can shoot 4K, 60 FPS, naka 4K tayo. Hindi muna ako magre-record kasi pinakita mo yung quality. Ayun. Sige, nag-record na nga tayo yung quality. Ubus yung space natin. This is 4K, 60 FPS. So, ayan, medyo, kita ko yung difference ng video, no? Very smooth. So, saving siya. Medyo matagal yung saving niya. Playback natin for the front camera. 60 FPS. So, ayan, medyo... Ayusin natin yung kanyang rotate. Saan ang rotate dito? Rotate. Wala akong nakikitang rotate. Scan, location, flashlight. Wala, ba't walang... auto-rotate. Nakita ko na. So, saan yung gallery? Ito, AI gallery. So, ito yung kanina. This is space natin. This is 4K, 60 FPS. So, ayan, medyo... Ito ko yung difference ng video. No? Ganda, 60 FPS. Oh my God, nakakatakot mag-record ng rear camera na 4K na 60 FPS. So, what else? So, let's shift to the rear camera. Bakit nag-Google Lens? Okay, ito pala. Ayan, rear camera. 0.6. Tiyate ko meron siyang 4K 60. Okay. So, kahit naka 4K 60 FPS ka, nakakapag-shoot ka pa rin ng wide angle. This is nice. This is 4K. This is 4K 60 FPS wide angle lens. So, check natin to ang video natin. Kung anong itsura natin dito. Mabilis naman siya. Pero medyo uminit ka agad. This is 4K 60 FPS. Ganda yung camera niya. Wow. So, check natin to. So, sana, it can also accept external microphone sa USB Type-C niya, So, I guess baka pwede. So, yun ang susunod na test natin pag gumawa tayo ng vlogging test using the Infinix 030 5G. So, ayun, that's it, guys, for our hands-on test unboxing with this awesome phone from Infinix Philippines. Grabe, super ganda niya. Naaaliw ako sa kanya. Nag-record tayo ng 4K, uminita agad yung phone, Ramdam mo kagad, dahil nag-setup na rin din siya. So, yan natin sa review natin yan if there's a overheating issues, Pag nag-4K tayo, try natin mag-4K ng 30 minutes video. For sure, may limit niya kasi sobrang laki ng file, kailanganin So, yun, thank you guys for watching. So, this is the Infinix 030 5G from Infinix Philippines. So, maraming salamat for watching. Thank you so much kay Infinix Philippines for lending this phone para ating ma-review, mabuting-ting. At ayun, so thank you guys for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys sa next video vlog adventure. Super ganda ng phone na to. Alright, thank you so much and kita-kits sa next event and next vlog pala. Bakit event?